What if trucks could drive themselves across entire countries? No drivers. No brakes. Just AI controlling everything. It sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. So here's the big question. Are truck drivers about to be replaced? Truck drivers do more than drive. They handle long distances, manage cargo, ensure safety, and deal with unpredictable road conditions. It's one of the most demanding jobs in the world. Would you trust a truck with no driver on the highway next to you? AI is transforming transportation. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are developing autonomous trucks. These trucks use sensors, cameras, and AI to navigate roads. Autonomous trucks are already being tested on highways. Some can drive long distances with minimal human input. If trucks can drive themselves, do we still need drivers? AI has major advantages. It doesn't get tired, distracted, or need breaks. It can reduce accidents caused by human error. And it can operate 24/7. But AI has limitations. It struggles with unpredictable situations, like bad weather, road construction, or sudden hazards. Real-world driving isn't always predictable. There have been cases where self-driving systems struggled in complex environments. Human judgment is still critical in difficult situations. Can AI make split-second decisions better than a human driver? Truck drivers bring experience, awareness, and adaptability. They can handle unexpected events and make quick decisions. They don't just follow rules, they interpret situations. The future isn't AI replacing truck drivers, it's transformation. AI will handle highway driving and logistics. Drivers may focus on local delivery and supervision. So what do you think? Will trucks go fully autonomous, or will humans stay in control? AI can drive, but it can't replace human judgment yet. The road to full automation is still long. So the real question is, will drivers adapt or be replaced? Watch out for our exciting episode on 5 AI skilled truck drivers must acquire in 2026 to shock-proof their career against AI. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories, infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.